Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Dent coin. What's the current price of the Dent coin? What's the price is occur in the Dent coin? In this video I will show you friends, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of Dent coin which you need to see this update, so keep watch. And friends, if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you that please subscribe this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. So the current price of the Dent coin in this time in the market is 0.006773 USD dollar is the current price of the Dent coin. On the other side, if you look the prices occur in the Dent, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week prices occur in the Dent coin is gone negative. Only the last 1 day pricing is positive. That's mean that the Dent coin starts jumping from the previous last 1 day friends. Let's see my friends the price chart for more details. Let's see the last 1 day price chart of the Dent coin. What's going in this time in the Dent coin in the last 1 day. Anyways, if you look the currently live price of the Dent coin in the market, so the current price is 0.006773 USD dollar friends. Absolutely, as you can see here, the last 1 day price chart changes occur in the Dent coin as positive because the Dent coin start jumping in the last 1 day. But unfortunately, now at this time, if you look the previous last few hours charts, so as you can see here, they again start dumping. So I hope that that's a temporary phase of the Dent coin, and very soon they again start jumping. Anyways, if you look the last 1 day and the last 24-hour price changes occur in the Dent coin, positive 5.52% positive change occur in the Dent coin, and the highest price is 0.007675 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dent coin friends. So let's see my friends the price chart of the Dent coin, what's gone and what's wrong. As you can see here, and the start of this today and the start of yesterday it start jumping, but unfortunately at the last of 24 hours they falling down friends. So I hope my prediction is that after some passage of time they again start jumping friends. So you have to hold it this time. My personal suggestion for all of my viewers, especially for my subscriber, is to hold Dent coin friends at this time friends. So please don't do this mistake and don't sell Dent coin. That's my suggestion. Please hold it. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Dent coin? Please also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.